Mike Innovative Door. Got a obvious busted trolley here. New one there. Springs. Now what would you say springs have to do with this trolley that's broke? You can see, and the bad gear that broke. Well, someone called a different company out here, and these are the springs they put on this vinyl back door. 225, 27, and a 250 2-inch 31. Wrong. 243 2-inch 36s. Okay. How's that balance? Pretty good or a little hot?
A little hot. I just put a little extra in this one.
So 243 2-inch 36s on this vinyl back CHI with 3 struts. Not this. I don't even know what the pull is on these two, but I'm sure it's more. This door wouldn't stay down. I'm sure that's why the trolley and the gear roached, because some fools put those on. But anyway, for all your door needs, Innovative 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Facebook is the place to go and check us out. We got tons of stuff on there and videos and how-tos and help you out videos. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our right springs and replace trolley and gear video.